After you have activated your SIM card, chosen a plan, and installed your SIM card into the RT3 or RT4, you will need to make sure that roaming is turned on and set the APN in Skylight. Let's first go to rtkmobile.com and we'll take you to the instruction page where it has all our instructions on how to do this. And we'll start by downloading Skylight right there. And while we're waiting for that, we'll set up the roaming. Make sure that roaming is turned on. Our SIM cards work through roaming within the 3 networks and other networks in international. We'll go to cellular and we want to turn on roaming. We'll close out the settings and then we'll install Skylight. Agree. And go through the steps to install Skylight. And make sure when you install Skylight, it's from our website and not from Microsoft App Store. This version of Skylight is specifically for the modem in the RT3 and RT4. Sometimes it will say not responding when you're installing. It's just the processor catching up. And we'll open Skylight. And it'll say no service, so we'll need to fix that. Let's click on the wrench icon and click on profiles twice. If you notice, there's some that start with exclamation, MBIMM. Those are the ones we want to keep. The rest of them we can delete. And we'll delete that one. And so this one is the default. If you expand this and move the window over to see what they say, this is the default one. Let's change that to flowlive.net. And also let's go to here and change this to flowlive.net. If you notice that the other ones bounce back in, don't worry too much about that. They'll be removed when we exit. Okay. And sometimes you can select the different profile there, and now it shows we're connected. Now I'm going to close that, and we'll go back to this internet settings, and it shows that we are connected now. If you want to test that, we can turn off Wi-Fi and then browse the internet by going to, say, a different page. RTKmobile.com, and there we go. We're browsing on our SIM card. If you have any questions, you can call us or also email us with the form on our website. Thank you and have a great day.